In this video, I'll show you how to automate moving completed tasks to a group in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where your tasks are organized. Click the Automate button at the top of the board and go to the Create tab. Select Create from Scratch. Inside the Automation Builder, you'll define a trigger and an action. A common setup is moving an item when its status changes. In the Trigger drop-down, select When Status Changes to Something. Then, in the Action drop-down, select Move Item to Group. Now choose the status that represents completion. For example, Done, Completed, Closed, or Finished. Next, select the Destination group. This could be a group called Completed Tasks, Archived Work, Done, or something similar. Review the automation settings carefully before saving. Then click Create Automation. Once activated, every time an item reaches the completion status, Monday.com will automatically move it to the selected group. This keeps your board organized and makes active tasks easier to manage. And that's how to automate moving completed tasks to a group in Monday.com.